Lester B. Pearson's School for the Arts would like to acknowledge and show appreciation to the First Nations people who traditionally lived on this territory and land. The Chippewa of the Thames First Nation, part of the Anishinaabe, the Oneida Nation of the Thames, part of the Haudenosaunee, and the Munsee Delaware Nation, part of the Lenni Lenape. Let us reflect on how we, as individuals and as a school, can carry the spirit of gratitude into everything we do to honor and respect the original people's territory we now sit on. Hello, students of Lester B. Pearson School for the Arts. We are your MCs, Rachel,
aka Rachel Latte, and Andrew, aka Old Man Andy. We are currently filming this in the sound booth of our drama studio, where some students have access to the controls for the lights and sound for making productions and shows like this one.
Many of our Pearson parents have not seen this corner of our school, so this will be its first debut. Now it's time for a cheesy joke. Hey, Andrew.
What, Rachel?
What kind of ball doesn't bounce?
I don't know. What?
A snowball. That's a knee slapper.
6JC is excited to present Jingle Bell Rock for you today. This holiday favorite introduced the class to new notes and swing rhythms. There's no video to go along with the audio presentation, so 6JC decided to put you in the holiday mood with some festive photos of them with their wind instruments. Thanks to Jasmine and EJ for putting the slideshow together. We hope you enjoy Jingle Bell Rock with words and music by Joe Beal and Jim Booth, and arranged by John Edmondson.